Okay, this is going to be a quick video tutorial telling you how to install Mac Os X Lion in VMware. Going to be VMware 7 and or 8. After you have downloaded the files, which I did upload, here is the folder with everything extracted. Also, there is another file that should have been downloaded from MediaFire that is necessary to the key process. But first things first, if you're running VMware 7, need to open up this sysprops lion files, open that up, and then Mac OS X guest VMware-7, open that up. There's two ways you can run this. First way you can run it, you can right click on windows.bat, run as administrator, or you can go into command prompt and run the batch file that way. And what this does is it installs, which we probably can open up this archive. No, we can't. But what it does, it installs and unlocks VMware so it can run Mac OS X. Okay, with that said and with that done, next thing that is needed is go ahead and extract, open that rascal up. In here, going to be Mac OS X Lion. These are the key files that are needed, so you don't have to set up your VM at all. All you do is create your folder where you're going to have your VM at and copy these rascals in there. Okay, we can go ahead and close that. Let's see here. And now what we want to do is this little rascal right here. We'll go ahead and double click on that, and this is going to open up our VMware. Okay, now we want to come in here. We want to edit this virtual machine. You can change your memory, but for the install you have to have 2 gigs of memory. You have to, there's no way around it. You can change it to less after the install is done. Processors, leave it just like it is. This right here, I normally just leave that disabled. Really not necessary for it to connect to power on. But what we want to do, we want to add this other virtual hard drive that we downloaded to this virtual machine. So you go ahead and click on hard disk, use existing, click next, browse for said hard disk. Going to be downloads, temp, and there we go, and leave that just like it is, everything. Click finish. Okay, and that is it. You go ahead and click OK, and now all you have to do is just power on the virtual machine, click on I copied it, and everything is good to go. And what this is going to do is going to start the Mac OS X installer. And while I am waiting for this to start, I'm just going to pause it so we can have a time lapse. Okay, and you see the installer comes up. You click continue, you agree to everything and run the installer exactly how you want. I am going to go ahead and skip that and show you what the end final result is. Okay, after the install is done, which I am done here, it is starting up. Okay, why that is starting up, in here you have the Darwin ISO that contains the VMware tools and whatnot. What you want to do is, after it is done booting up, you can go in here, click on settings, browse. You can select the ISO, the Darwin ISO that is. Open, okay, and go ahead and connect. And when it's done booting up, you can come in here and install VMware tools. What that does, that allows copy paste, share folders, hardware acceleration, guest adjust guest operating system display to host window, whatever. But and that is pretty much it. All right. And good luck with setting this up. If any issues, just leave a message here on the thread.